Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2008 to 2011 Audi A6 and S6? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Passenger compartment fuse box. The left instrument panel fuse box in the 2008 to 2011 Audi A6 and S6 powers key interior systems such as the instrument cluster, lighting controls, and infotainment. It also supports functions like the central locking system, diagnostic port, and electronic steering column lock. The right instrument panel fuse box in the 2008 to 2011 Audi A6 and S6 supports interior comfort and convenience features. It powers components such as the glove box light, multimedia interface, air conditioning controls, and passenger side electronics. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2008 to 2011 Audi A6 and S6 is responsible for powering rear-end systems such as the rear lights, electric tailgate, parking sensors, and multimedia amplifier. It also supports components like the trailer module and rear power outlets. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.